This is a follow-up video to the jalapeno in the nose. It's been 5 minutes since I was an idiot and went for broke. As you can see, I'm currently crying like a fat girl on prom night. And I've taken toilet paper and soaked up the lemon juice. And I'm holding it to my nose currently. And it is a great boon. I hope this is worth 10 points. I know it's worth 10 points, but it should be worth more. Oh my god. I can feel my mustache just burning. Oh. It's not blood, don't worry. I'm sure you're all just loving this. I know I would be. Oh god. With the lemon juice here, it's actually not that bad until you take it off your nose. I'm just gonna sit here for a while. Chill out. Oh god. What did I do? Oh god, it tastes... Oh, I got lemon juice in my mouth too. Oh, this is just a bad day. This is a bad day. Got lemon juice in my mouth. Oh. Ugh. Alright, this is probably enough for whatever the fuck it is I'm doing. Oh.